Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove music from video but keep voice. Let's get started. So once you reach your web browser, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to search up vocalremover.org and then press enter. Now it says Vocal Remover and Isolation. Separate voice from music out of a song free with powerful AI algorithms. So we're going to scroll down a bit and we're going to click on this button which says Browse My Files. So now I'm going to use this file for example, which says Nature Video 2, and then I'm going to click on Open. And as you can see there, it is currently removing the music from my audio. Now it says Audio Processing. Artificial intelligence algorithm now works. It may take a minute. Please keep this page open. So we're going to wait a little bit. And as you can see here, it has separated the music and the vocals from the video. So what I'm going to try to do is play the music first. So that's the music. So now what I'm going to do is increase the volume of the vocals and then reduce the volume of the music. So let's hear it.
Nature has a way of leaving us in awe. It can be powerful and breathtaking.
And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.